Hello, trading is closed on July 8th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Look for lower prices, which we got. We said if we gapped and took out this low fast, it would be an easy call. If not, we thought that this recent high would still hold, but it certainly wasn't a lock. Tomorrow's pattern is the one with the early high. Doesn't mean you won't gap down first. During the day, MEJT said this rally wouldn't stick and this drop wouldn't stick, and they both retraced, not offering us much help for tomorrow. Well, we said if we didn't take this out, the pattern was kind of muddled, and I still feel that way. We're trying to figure out where's the top of this wave blue be, and we have a candidate, but until we start to down like it means business, we have to keep an open mind. Now, if we do drop, here's a count. Here's the high, here's an A, here's a B, and here's an A and a B with an ABC. So if we do get a black C down, completing wave blue C of this degree, it would all fit. But I'm really not convinced that's the right count. It's a possible count. I'm certain if something else happens, there'll be some other way to count it. We keep saying this is a cup with an upsloping handle. It should target a retrace to the low of the cup. That's still the pattern. But we had a gap down, a lower low, and neither low held. So that's a positive pattern unless today's low falls early. So if this is going to work, I really want today's low to fall early, ideally by gapping under it, even though it's a pattern with the early high. Now we also have the sell signal from the volatility index Bollinger Bands, but it just isn't a clear drop I was hoping to see. If this is a high, we should have an ABC. Should probably finish around here someplace and then go up again. It's really not totally convincing this high is going to hold, but for now I'm going to assume it will. If we gap under this low, things are still fitting, but it's really kind of iffy and not the kind of pattern on which I personally tend to risk much money till it is clarified. Tomorrow's a pattern with the early high, hoping for a gap under these lows, not a guarantee. That's today's call.